How's it going, YouTube? You know, whenever you're cleaning up your house, right? My grandma's over there, and you have this little guy in your chimney, which is that thing sitting right over there, and you hear it's chirping. How you doing? I'm gonna be like One Pug Life. How you doing? How you doing? You pooping? You talking to me? You talking shit to me or what? You know how you like that? You're fishy little motherfucker, aren't you? Look at me all funny and shit. This guy was flying around the whole house, and I caught him right there in that bottle, sitting right to the red one, which he was standing right there, and I just grabbed the chair, and he was just standing there. Hey, relax, little buddy. Strong little baby. I'm putting my... Okay. Relax, little dude. I'm putting him right here on my hands. On my finger. I don't know if I can put him on my fingers, but I don't know if I can do that. If I flinch, guys, you guys can laugh at me. I really don't care. Hey, Grandma. Mira. Está para arriba de mí. Mira, tengo miedo. That scared the shit out of me. There he goes, guys. Ah, damn, I should have put him outside. You pooping or something? Well, shit.